So let me show you how to install apps on the Apple Watch SE3. These instructions can also be used for any other Apple Watch. So you want to press on the crown once, and then that opens up the main menu. In the main menu, scroll down and find the Apple App Store. Here it is. Tap on it to launch the App Store. And in the App Store, you can go to the search function and type the name of the app you want to install. So for instance, if I want to install Strava, I'll just start typing. Let me go to Glide typing. So once you type in the name, just tap on search in the top right corner, and it's going to look for those apps or that app that you're looking for. Now, go ahead and tap on the install button and allow that app to get downloaded and installed onto your watch. There you go, it's done. So I can just launch it, and that's basically how to do that. Now, every app you install is going to be automatically added to the apps list on your watch. So you can see the icon right there, and I can access it anytime. Now you can also install apps from the phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.